We are looking at how to pronounce the German letter U with an umlaut on it. So first off, you must know that the letter U in German without an umlaut is to be said as U, U, just like in English, double O. With an umlaut, the letter U is to be said U, U. So how do you produce and pronounce this sound? How do you get to do it if you are not a German speaker, but you only speak English? Well, you must know that this is the same U sound that the letter U has in French as well, in case you speak French. If you don't, here is how to say this umlauted U. You start saying the sound E, E as in double E, a long E sound that you know, double E in English. While you're doing this and voicing this sound, purse your lips almost shut, like this. Start with E, E, and then purse your lips. E, U. And here you have it. Just by pursing your lips, it will produce the U sound for you. E, U, U. And here you have it. This is the U with an umlaut on it. In German, couple of words with it. Brüder, Brüder is to be said. If there are several brothers, this is to be said Brüder with an umlaut on it. If there's only one brother, it is to be said Bruder without the umlaut. Bruder, one brother, Brüder, several brothers. This means rubbish, and you say it Müll, Müll. And here you have it. I hope this was useful. Are you able to do it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching.